Hello, Fi. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. What can I do for you?
Could you move the head to the left?
I moved the head to the left by setting neck left right to 0. The other actuator values remained unchanged.
Okay, so where are we now? We managed to connect the speaker to the Raspberry Pi, and we're now using the 3.5 millimeter jack here instead of normal connection because that made some weird sounds. And then, oh, there was a fly flying into the mic. And yesterday I connected the mic here, and I resoldered everything. See if it can focus. Okay, apparently not. And that seemed to be the issue yesterday. So now I can hear sound, which is awesome. The mic is directional though, so yeah. You can't hear sounds from all directions, but I will probably solve that in the future by having some kind of ear structure that can collect the air or the sound around it and converge it into that point. So yeah, today I will probably fix some of the software and then I will try to make some CAD models for the speaker and the mic, and then we can attach them. Great. Okay, so a short little update. I just installed the ear here, and as you can see, it looks beautiful. Of course, the final color is not going to be gray, but look at this print. Yeah, and as you can see in here, I can probably not see, it's probably too dark, but it's the mic is there. So not only is this pretty, it will probably work like a normal ear. I tried the audio. You can barely notice a difference really, but it's still really cool. And yeah, so now I'm currently printing out the mount for the speaker, and then we should be able to talk to Fi, which is amazing. Oh shit. Yeah, the neck is still a bit weak, so that I have to fix that somehow. But yeah. Just a short update. Okay, as you can see, the speaker is now installed. And the mic is there as well. So everything is good to go. I've tried the speaker and the mic, so they should work. And all I need to do now is program so I can use speech recognition to the ear. Then I should be able to talk to Fi. All right, the build is finished. At least for this week's mission. So, as you can see, I installed the second ear, although I didn't install the second mic because, yeah, I don't really need it right now. But yeah, that will be interesting to do in the future, because then I could maybe like use two mics to identify where objects are. I don't know. I still have to experiment with that. But yeah, so the build is finished and the software is functionable, at least. So yeah, let me demonstrate. Hello, Fi, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. What can I do for you?
Could you move the head to the left? Please? Could you move the head to the left? Can you move the head to the left?
I moved the left eye to the left by setting IX left to 0. The other actuator values remained unchanged.
Can you move it back?
Yes, I can. What would you like me to do?
Move everything to 50.
I moved all the actuators to the center position, setting neck left right, neck down up, neck tilt left right, eyes Y, IX left, and IX right all to 50.
Move the head to the left.
I moved the head to the left by setting neck left right to 0. The other actuator values remained unchanged.
Well, that's my left.
Well, that is.
Right. Yeah, so as you can see, the speech recognition isn't perfect, but it works.
Regarding what, please provide more context.
Yeah. Anyways.
Great. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.